Okay guys, what's up? Today we are bringing the wheels and the tires for the 3000 GT over to the wheel and tire place, and we're getting them mounted. So today we're gonna have the wheels and the tires together, and then tomorrow we're gonna be installing them on the car. The wheels, we're taking 2 cars. Wheels in the back seats and then tires in the trunk. We got the Nitto. Oh shit, you can't see jack shit. What's up guys, we're back from the place. We got the wheels and the tires on. Sorry that the video cut, the camera ran out of battery, but check it out. They're mounted. Autofocus. There you go. They're mounted. I got 2, we have the other 2. He already put them inside. As you can see over here. We have them there, and we're gonna be installing them tomorrow on this bad boy. Look, there he is.
I'm not gonna do it right now.
Okay, so since our jack doesn't go high enough to lift these cars, we bought a wood plank, 2 of them, and then we're gonna screw them together to get more depth here, and then we're gonna use that for the jack. They're super sweet. So yeah, I'm hella hype. Alright guys, it's day 2. We're in the garage with the car because it's snowing outside, or it was snowing. And today we are going to be working on the wheels, and we're also going to be installing the coils that I got. So we're here in the trunk. It's super nasty because when I bought this car I didn't have a spare, just had nothing. There you go, you can see now. So we have our little LED trunk light, which is probably going to die soon because the car is not on. Okay, and we can't keep it on because of the garage.
Alright, so right in there, got strut towers, so it'll be in the same spot in both. And yeah, we just...
There we go. It's 2 bolts, right?
Yep.
Ew, it's so nasty.
Get used to it.
So we have a little hangout spot in here.
Yeah, man. It's big enough. All right. So we're good.
We are?
I figured it out. Yep. We are good. Prep is done for the most part. Now, you're right. We do raise the car first. No, you're 100% right. I want to raise the car. But I'm going to break all of these first.
Break what?
These. The nuts, I'm gonna actually like break them so we can move them.
Alright.
Not like physically destroy it.
Break the seal, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright guys, he's spraying some jizz on it.
Alright, you need Jesus.
You like spraying jizz?
Shut up.
I want to see how rude you are.
Good. Fuck them too. Alright. That should be good for a while.
You want to explain what we built?
A thing for a bigger jack.
Okay, look, since our jack was so low, we got that plank of wood. And I placed the jack on top of that, so we can get even higher now. Really, see?
Are we still on it? I still can't fit a jack stand under here.
God damn it.
Oh well.
Need it?
Not really. Actually, I'm going to find a way to do this.
Rip in peace. Oh, like the side starts lower?
Alright. That'll be fine.
Check it out. The wheel's off the ground. What?
Ooh, I have an idea.
Alright guys, we're having a problem here. We've been trying to budge this shit off, and it's not really working out too well. But he has an idea.
Never mind, it doesn't work. I just need something with more leverage.
The plans for today might be changing. We might only be doing wheels and not coils. We'll see. Depends on how hard this is.
Come on, bitch. Oh, fuck me, dude.
Hopping on a normal fucking road.
Say hi to the vlog.
What up? For what exactly? To get your wheels off?
Yes.
Well, you need to go drive your WRX that has summer tires in the winter. and go get yourself a breaker bar so you can actually break those, because that little thing you got is not going to do anything.
All right, we're taking an adventure road trip.
And since you say, oh, there's gonna be so much stretch on those tires.
Rip.
Look at that.
Oh, that's not bad at all. No, that's pretty clean.
See? Told you.
That's pretty clean.
Told you. I know what I'm talking about sometimes.
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 But all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Call me if you guys.
All right, guys.
For sure.
Have fucking fun.
Oh, you know we will.
That's our boy.
All right, peace out.
He ain't here no more. So I've been warming up the car. Guess what we're doing? We're going to where?
Harbor Freight.
I don't even know where that's at. But I have Android Auto.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you really?
It still hasn't defrosted yet.
Bro, your door is frozen
Bro,
shut.
fuck this place. Look at this shit. Fuck this place, bro. Check it out. Look at this shit. Look at this shit right here.
Nice.
We're waiting for all this shit to defrost. So we're gonna blast this.
Oh, look at that super speed that they pulled out.
Check it out, boys. We arrived and it's snowy and icy and we're gonna die on the way in. Rip.
Probably.
And I want to try Jimmy John's. You can't even see it. Can you see it right there? Yeah, see the Jimmy John's? I want to try that. It's like for fat white boys, so I want to be a fat white boy today. All right, you want to tell them what happened?
Nope.
All right, listen, guys. We got the breaker bar, guys. But guess what? The entire time we've been trying to do this,
Shut up, bitch.
we've been tightening them.
Shut up, bitch.
And now, who's the one that decided what direction is correct?
shut up.
Fight me. So I just realized, I was like, what the fuck are you doing, bitch? I thought about opening up a fucking water bottle and I realized that you're doing it the wrong way. Cause
That's what made you. Hold on.
No, cause like when I want to know if you're tightening or fucking loosening, I just imagine myself opening up a water bottle.
That makes sense.
By the way, we are not doing the clothes anymore. Cause it's already been like 3 motherfucking hours. So yeah, we had to go to Harbor Freight. And
At least you found a new favorite store.
get these tools. Yeah, like I love that store. Even though everything's gonna break in like a year. But we're not gonna do the coils today. We're just gonna do the wheels. Here you go, Father. Is that good enough for you, Father? Am I good enough for you, Father?
Nope.
Oh, I'm a piece of shit?
Yup.
I'm the worst son in the world?
Yup.
All I do is masturbate and play Halo?
Exactly. I mean, I don't blame you.
Alright, you're jacking up the car. Ooh, let's get that juicy angle. Look at that juicy angle.
All that angle up in this bitch.
The breaker bar is legit.
Yeah. I mean, shit, you can use it for just about anything.
I'll break your bars.
Who the fuck you want, bitch? God, these are so annoying.
Yeah, this camera actually doesn't have a bad autofocus. See? It kind of works. And it's like an old ass cheap DSLR. Well, cheap in today's standards.
I'm gonna say, stop talking shit about your camera.
Alright, the wheel's almost off, guys. What?
My legs hurt.
Don't scare me. I don't want your dick falling off.
That's not gonna happen.
Can I carry this with one hand? That's the real question.
You tell me.
I can't.
You can or can't?
Can't.
Start doing this.
Okay, guys. We got the wheel off.
Boy,
What?
your shit is rusty.
Welcome to old Japanese 90s car.
No, motherfucker, this is welcome to neglected people.
Neglected people?
I was gonna say something. Let me stop.
No.
This is a hated car. The person that had this before you hated it. Look at this. It's so rusted under here.
I mean, we're in South Dakota.
Yeah, no.
I'll do that. We got the stock wheel off, looking nasty as fuck. No tread on these tires. And we got the new wheel. Got the new wheel right here, ready to be put on. Here's the light. He's looking in this area.
This would need to come out. Actually, it should just be like that. This would be hanging. Obviously, you pull this down. If you can pop this out, it basically drops down a little bit.
Rip! This car needs a lot of work.
Facts. But hey, at least these aren't rusted very bad.
Yeah. It's going Going in. Looks good.
Alright, just make sure this doesn't fall.
Look at the wheel gap though. There's like almost no wheel gap. Yo, look at this. Look at this wheel gap. It's crazy, right?
Closed acorn style lugs.
So yeah, we're not doing coils today. We're going to a restaurant with a bunch of people that I don't like. Actually, I don't even know who they are. So.
Low key.
We got the two rear wheels on. Now we can do the front two. We put the old wheels outside.
Those are pieces of shit.
Yeah, because they're disgusting. We're gonna jack it up once in the front here. Hopefully we can get the entire front end up. And then we're gonna replace the fronts. And then it's nighttime right now. It's like really cold and snowing and shit. So tomorrow morning maybe, I can probably get some shots for I'll get some shots of this car outside with the new wheels on. We didn't do the coils, so there's still a huge wheel gap. But that's fine. Look at these. The cardboard.
Bro, that keeps freaking me out.
Told you it's gonna crack.
I know.
Alright guys, guess what? We are done with all four. 6,000 hours later, and we're all done. Baby, check that out though. Again, the car is very high right now, but yeah, it looks kinda sweet. So check it out. These two on these sides are a bitch. But yeah, they're all on someone's on this side. Some big booty bitch. JK, I'm not a hoe. And then we're gonna do the coils later. The car will be lowered. Nice and slammed. Is that the right word? Is that the right Cali boy word? No sticky. And then we need a new hood, of course. And then yeah. Yeah, the car is making a comeback, guys. It's making a comeback, okay? We got the banner on now, we got all these black accents now. Now we see the carbon fiber hood and the coils, we gotta lower it. And she'll start looking like kind of decent here. So yeah, hella hype. So once the sun comes up again, I'll take this bitch out and then we'll get some more shots. Alright guys, so it's the next day. And we got the wheels on. Up in this bitch. There you go. I mean, I take the car out, but I can't, obviously, but the wheels look sweet. We just gotta do something about that. You know what I mean? We gotta do something about that. They're looking pretty sweet up in this bitch. Check it out. They're looking pretty sweet, boys. So yeah, coils are next. Stay tuned. Just rolling. I'm thinking of what to say. Why am I so nervous right now?